Good morning. It is decorating day. I'm so excited. Today is the day we're finally gonna decorate for Christmas. And it is the most beautiful, perfect day to decorate for Christmas. It is rainy and cloudy and chilly out. So I got on some Christmas jammies because I like to decorate comfortably. So I put on stretchy pants, stretchy pajama, Christmas pants. I made a hot coffee and we're going to start decorating. My house is pretty crazy. We are actually in the process of buying new sofas. So our living room area has changed quite a bit, so it looks a little chaotic because things are not situated where they are and I'm moving stuff around. So it's going to be kind of interesting trying to decorate with like the house kind of like a little messed up. But right now this is kind of what's going on in here. This is all my Christmas stuff. Actually, I have more in the attic, but that's like village stuff. I'll just do that later. And then I need to clean up my dining table. My daughter drew this picture. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And then, yeah, this is the change of my living room. So we are getting a bigger sofa here. And then we're moving the TV over there. So that's all stuff I have to go through. That's all stuff I'm going through. And then all my daughter's stuff's here. We actually moved some stuff into her bedroom, but we are getting our new sofas very soon. So I'll probably decorate, I don't know, I might decorate this last because I don't even know. But first we are going to go through the crates and open it up and see what we have. Y'all, I'm so excited. I just got this record player for my birthday. It was a gift from my daughter's dad. And I have been wanting one for a really long time. And he also surprised me with a Bing Crosby Christmas vinyl. Look how pretty it is. I'm gonna try to get this started. So here's currently what I have so far. It is an absolute chaotic mess, but we're gonna get through it. Over there, I did try to organize it, but once I started pulling everything out, it just got kind of chaotic. So I just did the best I could. I put all my cups and like kind of kitchen stuff that I need to wash over there. I have all my trees, and then yeah, that bucket I'm gonna go wash right now. I tried to get my Grinch stuff together, and then yeah, I don't know, it's kind of crazy. So right now I'm just gonna start putting the different themes in their location. So I'm gonna put all my Nutcracker stuff in my bathroom, and then I'm gonna move all my gingerbread and all the cups, everything that needs to be washed, into the kitchen. And then yeah, we'll see how it looks after that.